Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Schatzmann here with my sidekick.
Hi.
So I just wanted to say hello, welcome to a new week. I hope you are all staying healthy. So this week starts materials being available for you to review for the next 2 weeks. So every day, if you pop into my Schoology page and go to that yellow school closure folder, there's going to be things for you to do. And every day, maybe I'll post a video like this just to pop in and say hi. I did just want to go over quickly meeting with your teachers and what like office hours are. So there is a link for you that kind of reviews when I will be available for you.
And this is my Schatzmann girl.
Okay. So every single day, Monday through Friday, I will be available from 8 to 9. That's kind of like my office hours. So there is a link there. Okay, so you don't have to come during that time. It's just that I'll be available for you during those times. Okay, and then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I broke it down to class meetings. So if you're in my first period class, Tuesday at 1, you can hop on the link and we can have a class conversation. And for period 2, it'll be 1:45. I'm going to have to change those times for Thursday, April 2nd, because I just got invited to a meeting with some teachers in the building, like virtually, but I'll give you that information later this week. So again, the office hours that I'm available, 8 to 9, you do not have to come, but if you want to check in with me, you have some questions about other classes, about my class, about programs on your Chromebook, that's when you can definitely check in with me. And then the Tuesday and Thursday times are for like a class meeting. And remember, you are not required to do this. Nothing is going to be graded, and there are at this point going to be no new material. It's just all based on review. Okay, if you have questions, please email me or send me a message on Schoology. All right, so if you go into the yellow folder, it's going to give you a Monday, March 30th folder to go in, and it'll give you steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll be very clear for you, things that you can do and review. But again, please let me know if you have any questions, and good luck on your first day.
My friend Michelle.
Okay, can you say bye?
Bye.
Good luck.
Good luck.
All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. See ya.